Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial on how to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to iCloud. By enabling this feature, you can automatically back up your photos and videos and keep them safe. Let's get started. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once here, scroll down and tap on Photos. In the Photo settings, you will find the iCloud Photos option. Now toggle the switch next to iCloud Photos to turn it on. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to enable iCloud Photos. Tap on Enable to proceed. Now, depending on the size of your photo library and your internet connection speed, it may take some time to upload your photos to iCloud. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and keep it connected until the upload is complete. You can tap on Optimize iPhone Storage if your iPhone is low on space. Now, all your new photos and videos will automatically be uploaded to iCloud whenever your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and charging. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.